Our latest swarm.
Oh. Oh, sorry,
Look at the comb they got already.
I'm gonna let them keep that.
Yeah. You just gonna shake it?
Well, I was debating on it. There's a lot of stuff in the bottom. There ain't a ton of bees in here.
You can shake it out front.
Yeah.
You know, we had the smoker and they're going nuts. You think we'd spray it? That didn't work. There we go. I just leave that by it.
Yeah, for a couple days. They ain't going nuts. They're just trying to figure out what's going on. Quite a few of them still know this.
You want to put these frames in there?
Yep.
Good job, ladies. Welcome home.